So here the second example. So try to solve yourself first. So if you consider, as here the value of A is smaller and the value of B is bigger. So we have to consider the A value is greater than B first. Okay. So what is that? 225 is greater than what here? B is 135. So I have considered the value of A as what here? 225 and value of B as what here? 135. So again you have to divide this, the value of A 225 by the value of B as 135. So divide this first. 225 divided by 135. So what you will get, if you divide that by 135 means you will get only the ones-a. 135 ones-a 135. So what is the remainder you will get as here? 90. Okay. This is what here? 12 minus 3. So 90. So you will get the quotient value as Q and the what remainder value as R here. So you have to apply the division lemma. What is the division lemma? A is equal to BQ plus R there. So value of A is 225. That equal to value of B is 135 into Q is 1 plus R is what here? 90. Okay. So after this, here you have considered pair of numbers as 225 and 135. So next, in the second step, I have already told that the value of B you have to take as what here? Value of A in the next step, and the value of R you have to take as the value of B. Okay, 90. So again you have to apply the same process. So divide this 135 by what here? 90. So 90 ones are 90 here. So what is that? 45 is the remainder, and you will get the quotient as 1 and remainder as what here? 45. So apply the same what here? The equation for the division lemma, that's A equal to BQ plus R. So value of A is here 135 and that equal to value of B is 90. You got quotient as 1 and plus remainder as what here? 45. After this, here we can continue this same step because we are not got here the value of R as 0. Okay, up to where we have to get the value of R as 0, we have to continue the same step. Here again you have to consider the value of B is what here? 90. That has only the value of A and value of R as B here. Okay, 45. So for this same, apply the process. So 45 2s are 90. Okay, that is 90 can be written as 45 2s are 90 plus 0. Okay, this is 90 can be completely divided by 45 here to get the quotient as 2 and the remainder as 0 here. Okay, so here we have to stop the step because here we got the value of R as 0. As you got the value of R remainder as 0, whatever the value of B here, divisor, that is only the HCF of the given number. So HCF of the pair of numbers 135 225, that or that equal to HCF of 225 135 is equal to what here? 45.